In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the British Airways American Express credit card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can find the British Airways American Express credit card over at our website. So go to www.americanexpress.com through a web browser on your computer or your phone. When you arrive at the website, select Cards at the menu on the top of the screen, and you will be able to select View Personal Cards to the left. Wait for the page to load, and in here you will be able to see all of the cards. First off, they have the featured cards over here, but if you keep scrolling down, you will be able to find all the cards. As you can see, by using this bar over here, we can go to the side and we're going to be able to find the British Airways American Express credit card and the British Airways American Express Premium Plus credit card. Click on whichever one you prefer. As you can see, it's going to show details about both. All of them have different features and benefits, and you simply have to select learn more over here at the bottom. You will be redirected to the information page of the card you pick, and again, this is just a summary of all the features and bonuses that they have. If you are satisfied with the card and you want to use it, simply click check your eligibility over here, and you will have to answer some questions about yourself. If they approve the answers you give, you will be able to have your very own British Airways American Express credit card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the British Airways American Express credit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.